For today's Dutch pour, I'm doing a split base with titanium white by Amsterdam on this side and Prussian blue by Amsterdam on this side. Because this is a transparent color, I've painted the edges on this side Prussian blue too, just to help ensure good coverage on the edges once the paint dries. I'm using my heat gun to pop some of the air bubbles. Okay, now for the colors. This is Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam, Brilliant Blue by Amsterdam, Primary Magenta by Amsterdam, Primary Cyan by Amsterdam, 24 Karat Gold by Deco Art. It's their Extreme Sheen Metallic Paint, and Permanent Blue Violet again by Amsterdam. Popping some of the air bubbles again. I'm using the lowest setting on this little hairdryer to blow this out. I'm blowing these colors onto the white side and then blowing them onto the blue side, and then just blowing them over the edge of the canvas. And I'm just applying that same concept on this side. I'm using a straw to help create a little bit more interest on the blue side. Nice colors over here. Even up here. Some interesting cells. Overall, happy with this one. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.